Hello everyone! Today we are going to be playing with gears and we're going to match them to their magnet. Okay, first things first, we have this one. This magnet is purple. Put it right here. And where's our purple gear? Here. Purple gear is the first one. Then we have, how about orange? Orange magnet. Like that. And we have our orange gear. Put it right there. And we'll connect it. That's how it works right there. Okay, we have to find the next one. How about pink? A pink magnet. Pink magnet. And where's our pink gear? Here it is. Our pink gear goes here. Okay, purple, orange, pink. How about red? Red magnet goes here. There's our red gear. Red gear goes on top, right there. Okay, next we'll do our yellow magnet. How about here? And there's our yellow gear to go on top. Let's see, where's a good spot? Right about here. Yeah. And we have our last one is sky blue. Maybe here. That look all right? And our sky blue gear. See how it can fit right here. Maybe right about here. Move it over here a little bit. Okay, let's see how they move. Ready? Oh, it doesn't work so well. We'll have to change something. How about we move the blue gear here? Give this a try. Oh, something's not working. How about we move this one right here? Now let's try it. Wow, look at that. It moves together. That's how gears work. Next, we're going to try making a heart design with our gears. Let's see, we have this one is blue. Gotta find our sky blue. And sky blue gear. Next one is yellow. Yellow magnet. Yellow gear. Next one is purple. Our purple magnet. And our purple gear. Next, how about orange? Orange magnet. And our orange gear. Last one, we have a red magnet. And our red gear. Okay, let's see how it works. Look at it move. So pretty. Next, we're going to make a Ferris wheel gear set. let's start with this color right here. This one is orange. Orange magnet first. And an orange gear. Next we have red. We have our red magnet first, and then a red gear. Next we have purple, purple magnet, and our purple gear. Next we have our sky blue magnet, and our sky blue gear. Last we have, this one's green, so we can choose either yellow or pink. How about pink? And our pink gear, because we don't have green. Okay, ready to see how it moves? Wow! So fun! Next, we're going to make a lovely bouquet of flowers and gears. Which one should we do first? How about we'll start with the blue one. Sky blue magnet, sky blue gear. We don't have green, so let's do pink. Pink magnet, pink gear. Then let's do orange. We have orange magnet and an orange gear. Let's do purple. Purple magnet and purple gear. The gears kind of look like flowers. Then we have our red magnet and red gear. Last, we have our yellow magnet and our yellow gear. Oh, isn't that pretty? Let's see how it moves. Oh, so nice. What a beautiful bouquet of flowers. Next we have our balloons here. We're going to make some gears for the balloons. Let's start with our pink balloon. We need a pink magnet and a pink gear. Then we have our orange balloon here. We'll need our orange magnet and an orange gear. Then we'll need a yellow magnet for the yellow balloon and a yellow gear. Then we have our blue balloon. Sky blue magnet and our sky blue gear. Then let's do the red balloon. There. And our red gear. Fit it in like that. And last is our purple balloon. We need our purple magnet and our purple gear. Fit it in just right. Okay, let's see how it works. Beautiful. And here we have a rainbow we're going to make with our gears. All right, let's see. Which one should we start with? How about red? Red magnet. Red gear. That's next. Orange. Orange magnet. Orange gear. And we'll fit it in like that. Next is yellow. Yellow magnet. Yellow gear. Next is green, but we don't have green, so we'll use pink. Pink magnet. Pink gear. Next is sky blue and sky blue gear. Last we have purple. Purple magnet. Purple gear. Okay, let's spin it. Wow, what a beautiful rainbow. I love it. Did you know a rainbow is God's promise to never flood the earth again? He made a rainbow right after Noah got off the ark. Wow, beautiful. Well, that's all the time we have left for today. Thanks for stopping by and God bless. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.